images in space that simply cannot be explained. They freak me the fuck out. Right, first up, we've got the faces of Mars. Excuse me? Rock formations that resemble that of human faces. Just chilling with fucking E.T. Right. Now it says here they look like happy faces. We will agree to disagree, I suppose. Now I know. Coincidence. But I don't know about you, but I'm getting Prometheus vibes. Next up, we've got Oumuamua. Now back off if I said that wrong. Have you seen how it's spelled? It has 3 U's. October of 2017, astronomers detected a mysterious object passing our sun. It was this thing. Its name, Oumuamua, actually Hawaiian for scout or messenger. I'm scared. It's like nothing else we've ever seen in the solar system. And it's 100% of interstellar origin. But how interstellar? I believe it was even sent by another species. Research this rock. Everything about it is weird. Less mysterious, more the fuck. This is one of Saturn's moons, Mimas. And you can't tell me that huge crater. Oh my god. Yeah, we're fucked. Oh, I'd leave you with a nice one. Cosmic butterfly. Aww. Right, welcome back everyone. If this is to be some of your last day on this app, then of course we're going out with a 2020 video. So what in the fuck has 2020 been up to this week? Well, firstly, you know this thing is dying. Okay, maybe not dying, but it is rusting. Excuse me? Basically, you know how a reddish rust is formed? Because iron is very reactive with oxygen. I remember thinking, well, the moon doesn't have oxygen. You're right. Basically, the oxygen from the Earth's upper atmosphere is blown by solar winds and is rusting the moon. Ah, great! Bye, moon, it's not like we need you. All right, next up, how does super poison ivy sound? Because why the fuck not? So increased carbon dioxide levels have accelerated the fucking thing's growth, making it bigger, badder, and more poisonous. And finally, and quite frankly, possibly the worst of them all, cue Dixie D'Amelio's I Don't Want to Be Happy. September 15th approaches, e.g. tomorrow, which could potentially be America's last day on TikTok. Yep, I'm fact. So quick thing, if you find me remotely entertaining, you probably don't, subscribe to my YouTube for vlogs every Monday and Thursday. I promise you they're entertaining. And if you do, I'll scream Elon more. Elon! Venus just became a serious contender for alien life. Oh shit, you're not. But I do know what you're thinking. Hey Matt, Venus is literally the hottest planet in the solar system. So what are your theories that ET's just chilling there with some fucking tannin oil? Eh? Quick side note. Sexy. Basically, we have detected what is known as phosphine in the clouds of Venus. Okay. Now on Earth, we can see this produced through industrial processes and through microbes. Our little friends. But that's it! Scientists have literally said it doesn't belong here. End of discussion! Researchers haven't been able to find a way to produce as much phosphine as was detected. Plus, it's kind of promising signs there's life there. Just chilling in the clouds, waiting for humans to come fact shit up. Damn it. See, we won't know for sure until we take a quick trip across the road, if you know what I mean. However, it is mildly hot there, about 470 degrees Celsius, as well as the clouds literally containing sulfuric acid. Fucking delightful. Now, I'm not gonna be a space travel agent. I wouldn't recommend it over the Bahamas. Sarcasm aside, this has excited a lot of people. If life is chilling there, that changes everything we know. As long as it isn't this one can fack off. Just in case it is. Elon! Now, the cosmos is one fucking creepy place. I'm about to make it creepier. Here are some of the cosmic record holders. All the largest objects in the universe. It feels so small. Start off with the largest black hole. Now, I know I've mentioned it before, but to be honest, I'm still like, what the fuck? This is known as Ton 618. This puny little bitch is Earth. I feel sick. Next up, we've got the largest exoplanet, PQ Loopy B. I'm gonna call it Phil. There's some debate as to what this is, and some believe it is an exoplanet. But if it's an exoplanet, then it's 3.5 times larger than Jupiter. Oh, you'd be crazy. Next up, the Tarantula Nebula. And nope, I already hate it just from the name. This is the largest nebula with a record-breaking 1,800 light years across. So it's big. Finally, the largest galactic fart. Excuse you? Also known as Fermi bubbles. Massive blobs powering 25,000 light years across. So basically massive amounts of energy from the feeding frenzy of a black hole. So not safe then. Right. Okay. How would you react if I told you it could be a fairly large black hole in our solar system? Yeah, I know. The theory of Planet 9 is huge. A quick side note, in my opinion, it should be Planet 10. Because on this channel, we are big Pluto fans. Pluto's a planet! Got you, buddy. For argument's sake, the mysterious Planet 9. Scientists are convinced there is something huge in the backyard of our solar system that is affecting the clustering and alignment of objects beyond Neptune. Basically, shit be acting weird. And it makes sense. However, we can't seem to find what's doing it, which is why scientists have started to theorize that it could be a primordial black hole. Hi, great. 15 times larger than Earth. Oh. If you didn't know, you can't directly observe a black hole. Maybe wearing Harry's Invis cloak. Just know they're there from the effect on nearby objects. So if it is, what does that mean for us? By the way, this is the theorized orbit. That's way too fucking close for comfort. It looks like we'll know soon, because the LLST is due for flight in 2022. But a couple years we'll know planet, black hole of doom and destruction. It can't wait. I'm on the edge in my seat. Elon! This just in. This year couldn't get any creepier. There's now gonna be a blue moon on Halloween. And what it means will shock you. Hi, this can't be good. Yeah! Blue moons are pretty rare anyway. But having one specifically land on Halloween night happens once every 19 years. Of course, it lands on 2020. As for what it means depends on what you believe. However, most believe it's a bad omen. Something bad is about to come. As for 2020, it could be literally anything. Some believe it means literally the end of the world. Ah yes, fantastic. Needed a bit more of that, didn't we? The only thing I can think that's happening this November is the historical and monumental presidential elections. Now that can't be it. Oh fuck. Then to top it off, less than a month later, we have a blood moon. Ah! Some people believe that this is a sign for the beginning of the end. This 2020 fam, what's fucking new? In my opinion, blue moon plus blood moon is it. The final boss of 2020 approaches. Headache again. Regardless of what you believe, the fact that it lands on Halloween of 2020 is a bit sus. Nah, everybody with me. You know what? Have any of you been jealous of all of Saturn's moons? Greedy bitch. Well, don't worry, because Earth is about to get a second moon. Object named 2020 SO, as I like to call it 2020 sudden obliteration, currently racing towards Earth. Yay! Which scientists believe it'll get trapped in our orbit for almost a whole year, which is when they believe it'll back off. Hey, hi. Just to be clear that this thing isn't gonna, you know, all up in Earth's business. Why is no one answering me? However, oh fuck, why is it always a however? Scientists have noticed something strange about this thing. The velocity is a lot slower compared to all other space rocks. I'm not kidding you, some scientists have said they think it could be man-made. Or alien! Daddy's coming home. Space junk or alien civilization aside, we could be getting a new moon. It's kind of cool, right? Right? What's the catch? You know, because moons are like cars. You gotta change them every now and then. God, the Saturn, we're up to 2 moons now. We coming for you. But just in case it is some alien thing coming to us. Good morning, 2020. So what you got for us today, babe? Yeah, no, makes sense. Now imagine waking up in space, but it's basically a metal canister. You get informed that there's an air leak. Oh, it's fine. Did you say air leak? Yeah. Shh, not yet. The crew members of the International Space Station have been hunting for this air leak for almost a year. However, because it's 2020, obviously, it apparently just grew significantly in size. Wasn't, you know, mild concern, I guess? So much so that it even caused a temperature change on board. E.g., air leak equal bad. Clear analysis traced it to a certain module that, ironically enough, contained the ship's life support and living quarters for certain crew members. On top of that, a bunch of space debris was literally just heading for the station, causing it to carry out an avoidance maneuver. As if it, you know, bad. I'm serious, 2020 is literally coming for that station. Okay, so we almost just lost the International Space Station. This time, really. Elon!